Welcome my activity that was to Quindío, Colombia. My present is number is Sandra Sepúlveda. My best friend vacation in the Quindío. Last month I had the opportunity to visit this beautiful city in Colombia, Quindío, and found a different culture. The third one I am used to. Beautiful people, very cute. We traveled, we planned, and it was a lot of fun because it was my first time and it was an experience that I would repeat without a doubt. The adventures, beautiful memories, marked pictures. We visited different places. Kokora Bay. We visited several places in Armenia, Quindío. For example, to the Kokora Bay, we had to take a flight from Armenia to Salento. To the trip lasts approximately 1 hour. And from Salento to Valle del Cocora, we went by jeep. It took us 10 minutes to head there. Cocora, Valle del Cocora, hand of a kind of point. Cocora landscape. The hand is an extraordinary work of human engineering. In the same way, it's the greatest attraction for our visitors. At the Mano, the can be a point, the symbol of like creation makes its way before the amazing landscapes on Valle de Cocora in Salento to welcome you in this span. Can be a point, pictures. Salento. Salento is a city in Colombia. It is known for its coffee farm and vegetation. And there is also the Valle Cocora, recognized for its watch parts. Its fauna is incredible and variable. More pictures. To eat in family. Memories in family in Quindío. We haven't traveled for a long and it was very special and totally have many memories. I am using to take too many clothes with during the holidays, but this time and took less clothes and I was still very happy. Memories in family and my friends. Thank you very much.